In this video, I will show how you can get 50% discount on the Fliki AI monthly plans. This offer is valid only for 7 days, and if you are watching this video after that, I will tell you another method to get a 10% discount, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get the 50% discount, open Fliki from the link given in this video's description. You will be able to see this Fliki page. I am assuming that you already have an account here, so click on Login. I can see my projects here. Click on Upgrade on top. Here you can see the 2 monthly plans. You can compare the benefits provided by both the plans and choose one. Also, if you click on Yearly, you can get a 25% discount. But the 50% offer is only available on monthly plan, so let's click Monthly. Choose a plan and click Subscribe now. You will be redirected to the payment page. Here on the left, click on Add Promotion Code. Type Fliki Summer 50 in all caps and click Apply. You can see that the original price was $88 and now we have to only pay $44. Now, if you are watching this video after 7 days, you can use the coupon code FlikiAI10 to get a 10% discount. After getting the discount, you can enter the remaining details on the right and complete the payment. If you want to know how to use Fliki or about another AI video tool, then check these videos right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.